Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today is a big day for our chicks because I am moving them outside to the coop brooder. They are just getting way too dirty, way too dusty, that I just don't want them in the house anymore, and they have enough feathers that I can put them out in the outside coop brooder with their heat plate, and they will be absolutely fine out there. So we're gonna go ahead and get the brooder outside set up. So I need to remove a divider that's in there, and then get some bedding down and their feeder and waters in there, and then I can move these guys outside. Thank goodness. They're just getting really gross and messy in the house here. So let's head outside and get that brooder ready. So here is my in-coop brooder. It's just underneath our roosts here. So I was using it, oh goodness, as like quarantine. So I need to remove this divider here so it's all open, and then I want to remove that thing as well, and then I can put some bedding in here and get all the chicks moved over. Up, that divider's gone, that chunk of wood on the corner is gone, and fresh bedding is down. We ran an extension cord for the heat plate so they'll have heat at night. Let's go get the babies. All right, so all the babies are out in the brooder. We got their heat plate and water. I just got to get their feeder put in there. And now they just get used to everybody else. And they stop making my house a dusty mess, so I am glad they're out here. They'll start acclimating to the weather and the rest of the chickens, so when they're of size, I can just let them out in the coop and run with everybody else. And it'll just be a smooth transition. That's why I really like having the brooder in the coop at ground level, so all of the other chickens and the chicks can get used to each other and form their pecking order without any fights happening. So it just makes everything a whole lot easier. But if you guys have any questions about raising chicks, keeping them in a brooder, keeping them in the coop, any of that, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And then as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.